concept behind the Dutch is American food, roots-inspired cooking. So we take food that you can kind of correlate to and put a little bit of a modern twist on it. We try to definitely incorporate some of the local Florida flavors, some of the old classic Floridian style, but at the same time, very Americanized. So we have a big dry-aged prime beef program. We have our raw bar oyster room, which kind of is always bringing in new oysters all the time, seafood. We use a lot of fresh produce using local farms. The Dutch really doesn't necessarily mean anything. The ownership in New York, they felt like it sounded like a cool place to go get drinks after work, a place you'd want to go eat. It just rolls off the tongue nicely. One of our signature dishes here at the Dutch is 28-day dry-aged bone-in ribeye. The highlight of the dish is really just the beef. We serve it with a simple Swank Farm salad. One of the other signature dishes here at the Dutch is the little oyster sandwiches, which we use Blue Point oysters. We dust them in cornmeal and we flash fry them nice and crispy. We make homemade brioche sesame seed buns. We glaze them in a little bit of pickled okra remoulade, iceberg lettuce for a little bit of crunch, and we serve it nice and warm and crispy. It's just a nice small bite that's really memorable. One of the other signature dishes here is a grilled octopus. We serve it with a summer bean salad. It's cannellini beans and cranberry beans with some tomatoes, olive, and a little bit of squid ink. And we also have for dessert warm pecan pie with a traditional flaky crust. We serve it with a cinnamon anglaise and rum raisin ice cream. My name is Connor Hanlon. I am the chef de cuisine at the Dutch Miami here at the W Hotel and Residences in South Beach.